Moving BNB from Crypto.com to Trust Wallet. Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Start building passive income skills. Click the link down below. Open up Crypto.com, free cryptocurrency wallet of your choice on your smartphone device. And now, as you can successfully see, if you want to move the BNB coin or the token from Crypto.com, go to the home or the bottom left hand screen. And now, as we can currently see here, we're going to locate the BNB token or the cryptocurrency coin. And now, as you can see, click on here underneath search to locate BNB. As you can see, BNB is in an uptrend. Simply put, as you can see here underneath analysis or balance, in the middle hand screen, you want to locate this option right here. As you can see, you can deposit or send over the BNB coin. And now we're going to click on withdraw, but in this case, we don't have any BNB. And now open up the Trust wallet of your choice. It's also a free cryptocurrency wallet. And now, as you can successfully see, if you want to send this over, scroll down. As you can currently see here, there's not much what we can do. Or if you click search, type in BNB, locate the free BNB cryptocurrency token of your choice. And now, as you can see, it's got to be on the BNB smart chain. And now, simply put, if you want to receive this from Crypto.com to the Trust wallet, click on receive. Now you want to copy the address like so. Go back to Crypto.com, and now we're going to successfully send over the BNB token cryptocurrency